Alright guys, we're back at you. Got the engine out as you've seen in the last video. We're just going to do a quick kind of initial teardown. We're going to get the transmission off the block, water pump, all that. We might go ahead and pull the heads and intake for you, just so we can get the block on an engine stand and we can really start the internal teardown and initial beginning of the rebuild. Rest again. Turn it off, but yeah. Ready? Heads and intake. Heads and intake. Alright, first quick little initial teardown. As you can see, engine's pretty crusty on the inside, so it's going to get a full cleanup and rebuild and disassembly.